worried.
People are worried.
Tamil Nadu are worried.
Tamil Nadu people are worried. 8 crore people are worried.
Saraswati, you are not answering the question. The question is.
Saraswati should answer the question.
1 minute. Miss
Why are you deviating from that?
Sophia Ashraf, you rapped and you and your supporters actually went down that street in Chennai, putting out your objection to Sasicola coming in from the back door. Why don't you give our viewers a sense of what really were you rapping?
Well, we rapped saying தேர்தலெல்லாம் தேர்ந்தெடுத்த அமைச்சரெல்லாம் தேவையில்லை, which is basically we are not behind elected leaders who have been elected without an election. That is all we are saying. Mr. O. Pannirselvam has been handling affairs pretty decently. I might not be very appreciative of how he has dealt with the oil spill. That is one huge grouse I have with him. But he has been dealing with matters quite decently. And the court case is a week away. I'm sure you must have discussed this on the show a myriad times. The court case is a week away.
You have your supporter with the guitar there. Why don't you sing and rap for us?
Okay, we're going to sing you a bit of the song that we sang. We'll do the last chorus.
And do the rap.
Yeah.
Pura momentite, urpakam kondu etti paaru, udukaga veru vetti peitu, poi vaakku varum naadu. Pura momentite, urpakam kondu etti paaru, udukaga veru vetti peitu, poi vaakku varum naadu.
நீ தெருவோர வரப்போற கலவரம் பரப்புற அரக்கியல் அறம்போற இப்போ என்ன தரப்போற? தேர்தல் எல்லாம் தேர்ந்தெடுத்த அமைச்சர் எல்லாம் தேவையில்லை. தேர்தல் எல்லாம் தேர்ந்தெடுத்த அமைச்சர் எல்லாம் தேவையில்லை. So all we're saying is, as this situation goes on, we will rise up.
only body language தான்ப்பா, உள்ள ஒண்ணு கிடையாதுப்பா. நீ நினைக்கிற அளவுக்கு